Hey, all my people in Limpopo barimin. Noma ngiphuma la neFoslo barimin. Mase ngidlula ngeMakhado barimin. Uze ngithole Thoyando barimin.
Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Busy Corner, the first episode, and welcome. I'd like to welcome you. My name is Poppy as always, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and hit the notification bell. This is Busy Corner, here to introduce to you for the first time, ladies and gentlemen, we have changed our name as we have been complaining, and don't forget, guys, I'll always be with you no matter what. I'm not alone as usual. I'm still going with my co-host. My co-host is Tabang as always, but today I have a special guest who really wanted to join us, and I'm so excited to have him here. Would you like to greet?
Always. Sanmona bafethu ke mfana o la ke Thabang Maredi. Tshela thupa wa ya. Bafethu fanda rena le the special, the one and only. O tla ke buela yena nna ke batla mbuela. E ka bua thata ba tla re Thabang hana spiri mara wait again. Let's go again. A re bueng. Phezu kwabo.
Oh,
Introduce a pudding.
would you like?
Ngishaye kahle.
Athi
Mase sikhuluma iqiniso nje ngishaye.
Ushai.
What's happening, everybody? It's your boy Tequila. She's more hyped than me. It's your boy Tequila, also known as Mr. Abrahua, aka the New Age Kenneth Mashaba, aka the lens of Joburg. I do a lot of things as. But anyways, it's good to be here for the first episode. I'm glad you chose me. And what would Tequila be without tequila? It's
Like
simple as that.
honestly,
That's
we
the
bring out
sentence.
the big boys. Tequila with tequila.
Now the show can start.
Yeah!
Otherwise, how are you guys?
We're good. I'm so excited to have you on the show. I'm ecstatic. I'm a hyper person. So I'm so excited.
Thank you.
I'm so excited.
I'm happy
They're
to
gonna
be
ask
here.
me how am I?
I know you're fine. You're good. I'm excited because it's you're good. You're good. You're my G.
No,
You're good.
guys. Actually, like today, speaking about it, like we have the one and only.
The one and only.
Tequila Fair. Besides going on and on and on, it's tequila, a product tequila. Hopefully, it's gonna bring us the same way tequila makes us happy. Because it's tequila. At the end of the day.
We gotta be happy.
And
you know?
before we go for the Scalabala of the Coast Lama Coast.
Yeah.
Coast esemuva usolthi bonke mawumfuna uzomthola kuphi emuva kwecamera
As always.
are
Greet the
Love
people,
it.
my ghost.
greet
I
the
love
people.
Sanbonani Dumelanga Busheni. Hello, this is me, your man Salty. Welcome to Busy Corner, the first episode. I'm happy Kajokor one of the main men, my nigga. I get nigga yaka, kibuaka ka tech, kitakila kimita tech kitakila. He's one of the guys by Loring Kipila Lena. Mashiu, Motiare, little as the under carpet. Anyways, it's another topic to talk about.
We
Anyways,
transit under carpet. Fill us in. Fill me in.
Actually, yeah, kita
Fill me in.
finte, we're not ready.
These allegations are not true.
What allegations?
Aye, we didn't say about it. We said fill us in.
Oh, so I don't know what this guy's
I
talking
win.
about. I don't know what he's talking
anyways, one gapa, but anyways, this is my nigga. Nkaring Nsila Yami. It's the guy ngikhalelayo every day. Noma ngathi 5 rand uyangaya noma khala astakile ebusuku whatever. Mangithi into zasebusuku, I mean masistakile Poppy.
Yeah.
If ustakile ngemoto, then he will call me. If ngistakile,
Yeah.
I call him. Anyways, welcome tech guys, and please enjoy the show. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit there.
On the comment section. I'm here with you always.
Would you like Papa Urubo say your origin story? Everyone knows you now. You're popular. I was going through your Facebook page. It's buzzing. It's so nice. Tell us your origins. Where do you come from for you to be here with me today?
First of all, who's it lapo?
Shabuzetla.
Yeah, so Tequila is originally from the coast. Started this music thing 2003. Started the music thing in 2003. I actually just reached 100,000 followers on Facebook. So thank you guys.
What's in my face? I'm shopping in my Ase mang le mang. Ke dimpia fela.
Each and every one of y'all, about number 100,000 followers on Facebook. So I started this music journey in 2003, as I said. We used to freestyle a lot, Namachitami, Gandhi Square, we used to cypher there. It was back in the day. Back in the day. That's all I was going to tell you about the Elite Club. But then,
No, let it be the topic for today.
Okay. So there was something called the club.
Mm-hmm.
Unfortunately, I wasn't part of the club.
Mm-hmm.
I was still very young. I was starting up because the artist I was young. The club, there were older people.
Mm-hmm.
Uzola, for instance, himself was a part of the club when he still had dreadlocks and he used to call himself Kush.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, Shil, the Vasily Club. So all these other famous artists that you know from way back used to form the Billy Club. They used to cypher what Thomas. Probably all know those.
I don't know that.
I don't-
Something about that.
I don't. So I want to ask a question. Since you were very, very young, did you have pressure?
Of course.
How did the pressure lead you to greatness, or did it lead you to failure? Or did you get failure along the way, but you kept yourself pushing throughout the whole way? How did it come
If
across
pressure
to you?
doesn't build you, then you're in the wrong space. Pressure doesn't build you. You got the wrong people because you need to see these people doing their thing. You need to feel pressure for you to do better.
Mm-hmm.
Excuse my voice, guys. I think I was coming down with a little something.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
You know, you need to look at other people, and that shouldn't demotivate you. It shouldn't
Inspire you.
demoralize you. It should inspire you.
Yeah.
So if it doesn't, then now
What
you
are
need
you
to
doing?
check inhliziyo yakho. Inhliziyo embi. Inhliziyo embi kahle kahle. If the next person doesn't inspire you, inhliziyo.
Bafet, bulang dipel,
Please. Please.
Okay, you know, I wanted to know, since you come like from back then, have you ever met DJ Gregory? The Ashuna singer.
Maya.
Yeah, yes, you remember that song.
Shima, I think it was 2005
Yeah,
with that dance.
Africanism.
We're not Germanites.
No, DJ Gregory.
No, I've never.
You've never. Okay,
Did
so
you not change
with
the name,
everything
maybe?
that was happening, okay, with everything that was happening back then, with artists getting introduced to drugs, as some getting exposed to, I'm just gonna say it, prostitution.
Yeah.
You know, how did that affect you? Did you go into that whole? How did the drug industry actually affect you? If you've ever done drugs?
I don't even smoke cigarettes. I don't smoke cigarettes.
Mhm.
I don't smoke weed.
Mhm.
There was no way there was no chance in hell I was gonna smoke drugs.
But have you ever chilled with people that were doing
No,
drugs?
definitely. They always do it. I'm okay with it.
You're not phased about it.
No, I'm not phased. I don't judge. If it does things for you, then hey, good for you. You know, for me, I never sniffed a line in my life. I've
Yeah.
never doesn't queen, you know.
Who going young?
One of this drug, especially in Durban, it's big in Durban. I'm gonna say allegedly.
Yes, please say it. Please.
I've seen it, but allegedly.
Oh, you.
Durban back queen, you know.
Mhm.
Artists, in fact, not just artists, everybody. A lot of people in Durban back queen. Then it just gives you the energy
Perform and everything.
to perform, and
Okay.
dance the whole night.
Now.
Dancing the whole night.
Now, if you come to that topic, in your own perspective, the late Kostatic, do you think, in your own space, do you think he was on something? The late Kostatic.
Actually,
Hey man.
that's a good question. No, do you think?
Do you think?
It was my boy. I don't wanna.
Oh, he was your boy. So you knew him on a personal level.
Yes, I did.
Oh, you know I had a
Okay,
crush
so-
on him.
Oh,
Is it?
Yo, I loved everything about him.
condolences.
And when it hit the media that he passed, I was like, what? I've never even got to meet the guy. Do you understand? I loved his swag. I loved
So-
his vibe.
Since you say Costa
Titch.
Titch was your boy,
Yeah.
your boy, you knew him on a personal level and so on.
Yeah.
How did it hit you that
He
he
passed.
passed away? And since you're saying you don't know if he was on something
I
or
didn't
you
say
know,
He
or
didn't
you-
say that.
yeah,
He said
if
he
you-
just don't want to comment. on it.
yeah, he doesn't know or he knows. We don't know.
Allegedly.
Allegedly, he doesn't know. How did the passing hit you? Because it hit all of us. Because mfana umlungu, khala mlungu, yeah, but he was different complexion to us, and Bashapa number.
Always.
Bashapa number that boy Valley. Rest in peace.
Energetic.
Yeah, rest in peace to him.
He was a whole package.
Exactly. So for the fact that he fell off stage and he passed away, how did it hit you personally?
It really did, man, because besides being affected by the fact that I know him personally, was affected by the fact that he's a fellow artist in the industry, and it's never easy hearing about another artist passing
Passing
away,
on. Yeah.
especially because I know these people. We're in the same circles, we see the same people, we hang with the same people, so it's never easy. But the thing is, they said he got a seizure, right?
Yeah, apparently, but he was suffering from epilepsy.
Yeah, you see, and I know somebody else very close. I've got a very close personal relationship with someone but epilepsy,
Yeah.
and he also lapses every now and then. Sometimes it's very.
See, is that not you?
No,
No, it's not me.
anybody that knows me knows who I'm close friends knows all. It's not a secret.
Yeah, we need to invite him as well.
So can I ask you?
Yeah, because
Since when only more music industry, especially only into hip hop, in future, how nahanu collaborate le my piano artist or something, or Le Compo? You know, Le Compo is taking over now. Don't you think of?
These days?
Get ready now, Bafana da.
okay, wait.
Oh no.
You know, I want to know.
Mm.
Oh wait.
I've actually done a piano song.
Which one?
Maybe two. I think I've done about two or three piano songs myself. Nah, I've featured on a piano song. The guy who used to be my friend is not my friend anymore. He's a piano artist.
Hi, Bo.
I'm not gonna mention his name, but I'm on a couple of songs. So no. I'm a musician after all. I'm not a rapper.
Yeah, you're
I'm
a
a
musician.
musician. So of course I'd gladly jump on a piano song. In fact, I've got a piano song that I'm gonna drop myself. Actually, I can't
Did
tell
you hear
too
that?
much. But I've got a piano song that I'm gonna drop. It's produced by some boy of mine from KZN. His name is Hepted, the DJ. Hepted, the DJ. He produces a lot of my music now. So he's been forcing me at
Piano.
So I've even got a home song that I'm I'm hectic, guys.
You there? You there? So
you get a lot of berries.
Yeah. So haha, allegedly. So actually, speaking about that, man, tequila. Basically, speaking for the people that don't know you, Dumenga, what do you have to offer for us?
What do you bring on the table except a bottle of tequila?
You know,
Always.
I always
tequila.
tell people with me now, I'm famous to famous people.
Yeah.
Ordinary people don't know me, but I'm famous to famous. Whoever you like, celebrity Tanda in the hip hop industry is a personal friend of mine.
Hey.
I've got personal relationships.
Even Casper.
It's the bottle.
The bottle.
Wait. He's bringing up the chance. Hold on.
It's the
I'll tell you
bottle.
what he said.
It's the bottle. It's the
I'll tell
bottle. It's the bottle. It's the bottle.
Are you gonna call him? Just call him. Oh my god. I need people like him in my life.
So let you whoever else you can think.
Ask him about Big Zulu.
Big Zulu?
Big
Zulu is he in hip hop?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
And even his new artwork was designed by
Really?
Oh, so speaking about artwork, you do both.
I'm a graphic.
Yeah, graphic designer.
Okay, actually now let's start it from the flow. What do you do? Tell us, Hore.
That's the hardest question. That's the hardest question to answer.
What you do, but the people wanna hear. We with the people. The people wanna hear.
You know, I've always had a tough time answering this question
Answer.
because it seems
as if you're bragging.
No, it seems too good to be true.
Really?
And the problem is I'm good at every single one of the things that I do. So I'm a graphic designer. I'm a photographer. I'm a videographer. I'm an editor. I'm a voiceover artist. I'm a musician. I'm an actor. I'm a presenter. I'm an MC. Those are the ones I can remember.
You literally have like 9 careers with you right now.
That I can remember right now, yeah.
There's more.
Damn!
They could be. Oh, modeling too. Let's make it 10. Sheesh.
Damn!
So can I ask you a question, Kay?
Yeah.
Since you've been in the music industry, have you ever dated one of these musicians like Bo Sign Bushi Bo? Like, have you ever dated?
Someone that's famous
If
that we know?
please, with all due respect, if you've dated one, can you just mention it?
And of course, if there's no bad blood between you,
Hi, Boiti. So, there was this thing between Boiti and I.
Whitey.
Yeah, before she was famous.
Whitey.
before.
I love and date.
I don't even know if she was. I don't know if she was dating Cat.
Wait. What happened?
No.
Wasn't
I-
Boiti, wasn't, I'm not, okay.
Casper should play a spinner or should play Casper a spinner. What's going on?
I didn't say that. It was before I even knew Gutu Casper. I didn't even know Casper wasn't famous either at the time.
Yeah. Then tell me for now.
Boiti also wasn't famous. She was on the come up. And then it happened.
Summer 20 it was. Because I managed to sneak in a bottle of vodka. So I was in we're in the VIP, the VVIP lounge, and alcohol was expensive there. But me now,
back doors.
I managed to slide in with a bottle of vodka.
Was it Absolute or was it the vodka?
I don't remember. I think it was Grey Goose then. Grey Goose was the thing then.
What's Grey Goose?
Yeah, I know.
T, do you know it?
Nina, angithi nina ngabantu bamanje.
No, Tina, suppose I'm a tequila.
So
We drink a Biliato, taste of what?
Mina ngiyi-1K bro.
Oh, God, you're 1K! Yeah, he's a 1K.
So
And but actually thinking about it, the first time go busy corner rebel 1K.
K. No, yeah, it is the first time, yeah.
It is, and hopefully all the time, Mama, okay, at 1K is always, please come through.
You want to hear your side of okay, tequila.
yeah, so I managed to sneak in with a bottle of vodka, and then everyone really was buying alcohol inside, and then I pulled out my bottle, and Boiti was excited. She was like, "Oh snap, you got a bottle!" And it's not just Grey Goose was the in thing.
Was the it thing?
And at the bar, I think it was around 2,000 rand at the time. Yeah, I had it, and then I remember she even sat on the floor with me. We're on the floor, on a little pavement, type of thing. We sat there and we were drinking our Grey Goose together. And yeah, that's when we had a little spark. We never dated, so.
But it was just fling. It was a fling.
It was a fling. It was a fling, yeah. But
Personal question.
Sure.
Did you smash?
True. Did you smash?
Hey guys, I wish. No, I didn't. Nah.
But if you have a chance now, would you smash?
Now.
Yeah.
Now.
Yeah.
Nah, not anymore.
Why not? Okay, wait. What's okay now? You can't say cap. What's the reason why not anymore?
He's married.
Not anymore, man.
I didn't ask you. Proposal. What's the reason?
And why when it's married?
Yeah.
Why do you say I'm married?
He's single.
Why you say I'm single?
Then what are you? I told the people.
Though. Let me answer the question.
Okay, answer again.
I wouldn't smash now.
Why?
No, it's not the same anymore. That time I was like into her, No, I just like her as a person.
As a friend.
I like her as a
What
person.
changed the fact that you were into her and now you like her as a person? What changed the whole scenario?
Feelings fade. Feelings fade. Time moves and so do we. So
Okay, so the chat. My question is now, since you say feelings fade,
yeah.
I get that. But now, if she comes to you now
Yeah.
and she kisses you,
Would you stop her?
Would you? Is the question.
Hey guys, who am I to stop her?
And pushes you on the bed,
Yeah.
on the couch,
Yeah, for
and
example,
bells
in
you,
an isolated
and
area.
yeah, like in
An
a
isolated area, you maybe, for example, by her crib, your crib, or maybe you guys, where you guys are, you guys.
But if
meet.
she was at my crib, then that means we would have already established that we were doing this thing.
Who
oh.
said you can't now?
And if I were
He
at her
said-
crib, it would also mean the same. So that any situation that would be compromising like that would mean we already discussed it and we agreed upon it. You know?
But then, sorry for interrupting.
Yeah.
But then, one thing that I've noticed, even if you can meet someone, although you already knew the person, even if you haven't established the grounds, we're gonna smash. Like, now let's go chill at my house, Netflix and chill.
As a grown up, you know what that means.
True.
It's
I mean, I don't know
it's
what
it's
is Netflix and chill.
Hold up. It's like me.
No, actually.
It's like
I'd
me.
like
Let's say
to
I meet you at a club, and then I take you home. No, I take you to your place. I'm going to drop you off at home, and then you say
Come in.
you want to come in for coffee. Come on.
You already
Ain't
know.
nobody gonna be drinking coffee at 3 a.m. We know what
I
that
can drink it. I can make you espresso.
You're not gonna drink You're not gonna drink coffee with a stranger at 3 in the morning after a club. Ain't nobody going.
You know how alcohol
we
brings
all
us
know.
together.
Hold on, no, we all know what that means. Once she says you wanna come in for coffee,
We all know that
it's done.
Ashkaran is about to happen.
it's done.
You know,
You see.
I like ladies like that. Sometimes buying kupella, they ask for that.
Yeah.
Have you ever, Ghost, have you ever encountered that situation?
And now we grew up in the location to a point whereby we knew what Maupuzi PM. So I also wanted to ask Utakila Guti. Guti, I believe and I know, I'm definitely sure, on that night, it's a way back. Usmeshi.
No, guys.
He said he didn't. He said he placed boundaries.
Hold on.
What I want to say, allegedly Usmeshi.
No.
What I want to say, Utakila. Shoguti Umini.
Umini?
Boy team.
Poiti, sorry.
No, guys. No. Yeah, guys. No, wait. No.
No. Okay, case done. Tequila says he didn't.
No.
He said he didn't go for the kill move.
No.
And
I don't even remember us kissing, but we know.
but you were drunk.
Yeah, it doesn't
Weren't
matter.
you?
No,
you remember
we were, but we were vibing. It wasn't now. No, guys. It didn't go that deep.
Okay, so
It wasn't
my
that
chat
deep.
is
That's
that
my
night.
nigga. I know him.
No.
Okay. Let's pass it.
Wait. That night,
Yeah.
as you said, you guys were sitting on the floor.
Yeah.
Where there's like a bit of a steps. We all know
Yeah.
how that goes.
It's a step, yeah.
Step. That night, if you took it further, were you gonna smash?
If you guys had like
Yeah.
a common ground where you gonna smash.
No, the ground is very common.
Yeah, well.
It's very common because there's no way you can move away from your table and the VVIP section
And sit on the ground
And
just
sit
to
on the
drink
ground.
Grey Goose.
just to sit together and speak.
You guys saying just to drink Grey Goose like it's nothing. It was the thing. Grey Goose was.
Okay.
Grey Goose was what Don Julio is right now.
What?
Exactly. That's the level Grey Goose was at. Grey Goose was the thing.
Okay.
So now,
So this was equivalent to having an expensive bottle in a club.
so the same thing as we go back, where it goes. Umtenging epi, umtoling epi. Because
For you to have the
what you're
fling?
saying, hore, if you didn't have is a Grey Goose, right? If you didn't have
You guys are undermining my game. What do you say?
No, we're not undermining it. We just want to understand.
Bad.
How could you let go of such a baddie?
Hold on. She wasn't a bad. Okay, I didn't know she was a baddie then, but it's not good. Ngimtole Kezaka game. Fuck you, mean?
Plus the Grey Goose. He got game and Grey Goose.
Deadly combination.
Okay.
Deadly.
Okay.
So we just sat on that step and we were drinking literally the whole night.
The whole night.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Did you have a car by that time? Did you have a house? Were you living with your parents? Or you living?
No. I moved out of my parents' house when I was very young.
So what
I
did
was
you have?
very
at
young.
that
I
time?
had a car. And I was renting an apartment in Marshalltown, Joburg.
When Marshalltown was still Marshalltown.
Yeah, it was very.
So
was
at
a,
that time, basically,
was
what
a
you're saying
suburb
is that
within Joburg.
you didn't want to smash.
I don't think it's that I didn't want to, but it didn't get to that point.
Okay, if it did, you're gonna smash.
You were.
Hell yeah.
Clock it.
So,
talking
Manje,
about?
I have a question for you.
Yeah.
It's a little game.
It's a little game. We wanna play a game with you called Smash or Pass.
Yo.
Smash or Pass.
It's a little game. We're just gonna give you just
Four options.
Four public figures. Just 4. I'm gonna start one by one, and I'm gonna start now.
There's no option to drink. It's just mash or pass.
Do you
We
want to
can drink. Hold on.
No, actually, wait. Let's make it interesting.
So if I don't want to answer, I can just take a shot. Yeah, bro?
Nah,
Yeah.
Wait. If he wants
Lord.
to, if he doesn't want to answer, we give him 3 shots.
Nah, he's gonna get drunk. He's still driving.
Nah, it's fine, guys. I'm gonna answer. Don't worry.
He will answer. Okay.
What am I getting myself into?
Welcome.
I'm
Go
gonna
ahead.
start. I'm gonna start. Shy and bougie.
Pass.
Why?
Why?
Not my spec.
Why not?
No.
She has the nyash.
No.
She has the waist. She has the face.
She has the body count.
Oh shit!
I didn't know about that.
I quit. Okay.
Hey, body count. Hey.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
Varunale body count.
Allegedly.
Allegedly varunale body count. Nai ke mang o bua. Wale nna ngwana go Pitori ka o
Okay,
fela.
wait. On that topic, are you close with Prince KB? I feel like I could use him for an interview. Oh, okay. Okay.
I'm not.
Next,
Come again.
Mihlali, Smash or Pass?
Pass.
Why?
No. So I don't like things that everybody is into.
Into.
Yeah, I'm not.
Let me think.
Now let me come again. Who's this? Who's this son? Apparently, allegedly, she had a baby. Cindy Makati.
Cindy Makatin.
Pass. Hard pass.
Hard pass.
Hard pass.
Very, very
Nah, hard pass. No.
Why is that?
I'm not remotely interested.
Just in general.
Nah, hard pass. Nah, not for me.
You don't even have a reason, just a hard pass for that.
It's not your type.
It's not my
of tea,
spec.
your
Yeah,
type
yeah,
of coffee,
no,
or
it's
so
not.
on and so on.
not.
Besides, she has the nyash.
When you guys are done asking, then I'm gonna tell you
Why?
my spec.
Okay.
Come with the last one. I trust you. Think about it.
Tuli Pongol.
Mutama.
So
Oh.
actually know Tuli from back in the day before she even went on Generations, before
Before
her
she was
fame.
Entle. Which generation?
Yeah.
Namhla.
Namhla.
Namhla. So before she was Namhla, she used to go to, there's this common friend of ours called Mike Osafo. He's a fashion designer. So Tuli P used to be the face of that brand, basically.
Wow.
So the guy would make clothes for her, and I think he still does, I'm not sure, but I used to see her there all the time, all in Bram especially, from Bram to Newtown. I used to see her a lot, and I remember at some stage there was an interest nyana. So I think out of everybody you guys mentioned, Tuli P,
You would smash.
probably smash, but it's just that now she's done a lot to herself, but yeah.
But she's still pretty.
Yeah, probably smash. No, she's always been.
Still
She's
pretty.
always been. I'll probably smash.
Probably.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, tell us your spec, okay?
I'll be there. We with you now.
Do you guys know Nay the Bay?
Who?
Nay the Bay, Anela Zondo.
Oh yeah. No, you remember I did say. Yeah, I did say.
Anela Zondo, guys.
You like petite, slim, thick.
Man.
Who's this hand? Actually, one last smash of us.
Yeah.
Who's this hand that was in Scheme Sam? Ooh, Peltus. The one that
Pro Tusi.
the one that thingy had thing about MT made a song about her.
Yeah, it's Peltusi. T.
Peltus.
Wamuton Tomaga Peltus.
Well, probably, yes.
No.
It's just that we actually 1K again. This one, what do you call what is it before 1K?
I'm a 1K.
Magnama 2K, Magnama
I'm a
1K.
2K pela ite study.
Or before you 1K.
If before 1K, if before ubafo. Ubafo.
We should tell to Bafo. She's a mtala, man. She's nah. I wouldn't.
You wouldn't, ne?
Okay,
Yeah, I saw it.
okay,
I saw
if
it.
she was a 1K, would you?
No, then but that doesn't apply. We can't be.
We can't be reducing the years.
But then
There's this Chiscock lady, Bargema, the slender, beautiful.
Azana.
Yeah. Can you smash?
Azana.
Yeah.
Smash your pass.
The only Azana I know is the one that sings.
Yeah, that one.
The tall one.
Yeah, the tall
got a song,
Xhosa.
no big
I'm not sure if it's Xhosa or Ndebele.
The one with the song. Ta, pa, pa,
Lola
pa, pa.
Yes, that one.
Yeah, she's nice.
Would you?
Nah, I don't think so.
So among everyone that he spoke with, Anela Zondo, Tulipi, those are the only people that he would smash. Zinqumalo.
No, he said. He said, no, you're not gonna.
No, he said. He
Anele.
said it's his back.
I'm a man. You can wake me up at 2 a.m. Anele, I would definitely.
Always.
Anytime.
Kanam.
And then I want to ask you.
Oh, Kanam. So, Kanam. Kanam. Kanam.
Clean.
So, just three. So,
Hi, guys.
just three
What are you?
Okay, no. He can't answer that. He can't answer that.
Kanam.
So I'd love to ask Uri, Kimang Tepi, but the name about Tepi,
Respect.
So can you just give us that picture?
Oh, slim thick.
Damn, I'm too fat.
So-
Shit. I'm too chubby. Shit.
So ideally, my spec is slim. So waist didn't bunny. I bunny waist more as a bumper saw.
Yeah.
That's my shit right there. And then have booty still. You know? So it mustn't be because I must be able to run my hands right through from top to bottom. No.
I feel attacked now.
So when I hold the waist and go down, finally stagger that.
Yeah.
Because now the booty colossal now, you know?
You want an hourglass person.
Yeah, that's my shit right there. So, ZT press, yeah, press. I'm not too fussy about it. So this other clip that's trending.
Yeah, I'm a sock.
That's kind of my spec.
That's not.
So, but the reason, can I tell you why? Can I explain myself? The reason is because I'm thinking long term, you know? Uguti, even one day after we have kids and stuff, you must still be...
Maintain.
Yeah, but so you don't need to... The thing is, when they're already thick, like Cindy, for instance, you guys mentioned Cindy. She's already like extremely thick and she's young. After a baby or two, hey, I'm scared what's gonna happen there, you see. But then look at people like, yeah, no Pro Tools. She's still, you know.
She's still there.
Anela Zondo, neither bay. She just had a baby. She's still. Faith and Gaiety, she's still. You understand? So
In fact, Faith and Gaiety lost weight compared to how she was before.
yes, it happens. It's called
Okay, but then speaking about
baby
weight,
weight.
you can always be thick.
Yeah.
If I don't know, there was the Shoya Faith and Gaiety go.
Yeah, and there is Faith and Gaiety.
130. It's still there, right?
Yeah, it's still there.
Yeah.
But these people, they have a strategy or to
No, they do liposuction.
I don't know the
Liposuction.
name of it and stuff. So, for example, I'm gonna give you the example to someone that we have right here.
Are you seriously gonna make an example with my body?
No, see.
Okay, can you Lena, I wanted to okay, can you at least stand up Robono Hori? Can Takila see Hori?
No, he can't.
Why not?
Why not?
I'm not.
Oh, ma.
You see the reason why I said like I'm on a dress? Yeah. It's in Sugumam Gams Bagbon. It's on cut. It's on.
Aye,
Yeah, so
I'm too big.
no, you're not.
okay, so now this Popo, she has a slim waist.
I can try to have one just to fit in the category.
Like,
Slim waist.
I don't have a slim one.
Of course, no one can buy rocking.
Liposuction and
She does-
fat freeze
yeah,
and
she
everything.
does the
The
thing
thing
that
is,
needs
yeah.
to be done, and she has a slim waist.
but now we're talking surgery, guys.
No, not surgery. There's something called fat freeze. Let me sit down. You saw me. Fat freeze, right? So what they do, like they literally freeze the fat in your stomach. It comes out as liquid.
Using surgery.
No, it's not.
not.
They don't
They
cut
don't
in you.
cut
They
you
don't cut
open.
you open. They don't khotla you. It's just like an iron rod there. That's it.
So if, okay, wait. Actually, before I say if she was like that, would you smash her? The way she is now. Would you?
Nah, probably not.
Why only shy people?
Shabara, have you seen me shy?
She's very shy today.
Okay.
Type yakho, ngicela ukubuza wena coming to you. Type yakho.
The body structure, yes,
Uyintshebe ne?
everything.
Hayi man.
When I only know.
I would die.
Uyitype yakho ne?
I would catch a grenade.
Any day.
Sure, anytime.
3 a.m. in the morning.
So Mbuze, ask it correctly. Would you smash?
Would you smash him? But she basically answered.
No, she didn't basically answer. She must answer.
Okay, so now my chat is ne.
Would you
Why
smash?
is this now my interview?
Would you
Would
smash?
you smash?
Would I smash?
Would you have him? Have his babies?
Would
Like
you smash?
spaghetti, bruh. Like Italian spaghetti. I would slap like.
You'd have him. This is your type.
Yeah, I like big boys.
You like big
I
boys.
like big boys.
You like big boys.
Big boy.
Like
Last time I heard you, you said you were you joking? The last on our last episode, you said is McG married? Oh.
no, you remember I was like, is McG married? How that's a news to me. Then I was like, if I were to go for someone that has a body type like Sol Penduka,
Oh, so you like okay.
I like big
Like
boys.
the big boys.
I like big dads.
Besides, okay, wait. Besides liking big boys, you like him.
Left to right. If I were right or left, and I were left, I want to left to right. Arre. I will.
Oh, I mean,
I'm giving you a beat.
You know. This is what they always do, Libozola, before.
Really?
Yeah, on a stage.
Nice.
Yeah.
No.
Okay. I'm not a freestyle cat. I'm a backstroke tiger. Bringing the top around that you can handle in a cipher. You from prison, so you love it from the back. Me, I'm like a Spanish from type. I know when you're whack. Rappers are like cows, they got beat, but they hide it. Style is like a person with no brain and never minded. Survived against me, then it's towards our Cindy, man. You claim me to be tight, yeah, boy, it is you mean you.
Oh my god! I can create a beat. Come again. Rewind. Rewind the text. Yeah. Okay, let me say it.
So what I do when I rap in Zulu and English. So the time in my life I was only rapping English. Only. Then I would get my gigs slewing.
Brilliant.
Until you get cousins.
Above and America. Because the freestyle, we
Oh, goodness, do it, don't see you.
What's your saying, Cindy?
So there was actually like and also because of my spec, my school is so it's a double entendre.
So la fire.
Yeah, no, but anyway, got an insurance. I used to rap in and monk figure custom.
English, yeah.
And then I got to a point where I was only rapping in Zulu.
Mm-hmm.
And then when I get a gig, it's still meaning, hey, now these people are looking at me like, hey, what guy?
So what you say? What you say?
And then I just decided, you know what? F all of this, let me just do me.
Yeah.
And then naturally, now I just mix it. So I relate to everything.
Alright. That's for us. As you see here, Nalimpiam, the dog of the dog is a haki walumana. He bites, he doesn't just bark. Nalimpiam, that you don't know. If you didn't know, you know him now. He goes to Lama goes to Morao. Popoza, and I can't say introduction, exit, Yakut Manelo. Total Willayona, you Ari.
Tequila. My social media, tequila_rap. Tequila corner, TE. Not the alcohol, by the way. People always get it wrong.
Yeah, that's it.
So, like this. I-L-L-A. Tequila.
Tag L-L-A.
Tequila.
The tech.
On the social, it's tequila without the hyphen. Tequila_raps.
Exactly. As a one, the reason why I like tech, why it has a tech, because it's very technical. That's why it mixes both Zulu
Tag
and English.
L-L-A.
Very
No.
technical.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining. Thank you for joining us one more time. This is Busy Corner. I'm a busy corner, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. And remember, we had our amazing guest, the killer, ready to kill you. And then, ladies and gentlemen, I love you from me, Poppy. Bye.
And what's the problem, guys? You took my part. Like you want me to comment. Oh, another one.
So guys, please,
I love you too much.
let's kalibala. Follow Tequila on all
follow
social
Tequila
media.
on his social media platforms. So best value at the bottom, you know. Don't forget,
As I always say,
one family, one love.
one love equals Lama Kosti, Petit Sonki.
Yo, what are you doing in front of my camera? Dio?
Teacher, see female. Buffet to Utio Katele, Sonki. Lovely.
Bye.
Oh.
Barimin noma ngidlula ngendlelele barimin thina sivele sizenzele barimin nje you can't get can't tholakala ngiphusha isibani manje siyabonakala mina mangiklopa vele kumoshakala ukuthi ngiflope can't khonakala intombi ngithanda ngathi ngifaka ikorobela egiyane bathi sanjolobe